In today's rapidly changing global business environment, organizations are depending on the availability of a 360-degree view of their operations to stay competitive and manage their dynamically driven business decisions just in time. Business users demand the freedom to analyze their operational results just in time to allow them to fine-tune their business execution by having business intelligence that can be dynamically adjusted without waiting for IT. In other words, business users simply cannot afford to wait for analysis to be produced in the traditional IT-dependent way. Analysis has to be available and adjustable just in time to support dynamic critical business decision making. While most other BI tools would require users to create technical infrastructure and require them to know programming to build their analysis, SRK leverages DrivenBI's proprietary technology to allow users to quickly and easily create their own side-by-side comparative analysis without needing a data warehouse and any programming knowledge. For example, businesses want to compare their business performance results as compared to previous months, quarters, or years, or period over period. A common period over period analysis would be the amount of renewal revenue produced in the first 6 months this year compared to the same period for the last 3 years. Creating period-over-period business performance comparisons has never been so easy, until now. SRK's self-service conditional comparison feature is designed for business users with an intuitive self-service interface that gives you the tools to easily create your own period-over-period data analysis by simply dragging and dropping the data you want to analyze and defining the comparisons criteria through point and click. With SRK's self-service conditional comparison feature, you can quickly assess how your business is performing from a high-level perspective to a more detailed level. So for example, let's find out how this business's software renewals are doing in regards to each state, account manager, and product, and comparing last year to this year's performance over a selectable period. So enter a column title, select an aggregate and a value field, then select the field for determining your period-over-period criteria. Let's take a look at the renewal amounts in the same periods last year versus this year. Drag and drop the fields into position on the left and group them to display the column. Is there growth from last year to this year? Create a new calculation using the new comparison fields you just produced with a simple point-and-click interface. Now you can see the percentage difference between the two periods. How are the account managers and software products performing? Simply drag and drop these two fields to the left, and a detailed comparison with the new dimensions is ready for you to analyze immediately. Produce a chart for your analysis to quickly see the changes between your compared periods. To best visualize your data, you have a variety of chart types and options that you may choose from. SRK's conditional comparison feature empowers business users to analyze their business performance in a very dynamic way, period over period, side by side, from the highest level of aggregation down to the most detailed level breakdown, all without programming. So take control and make your analysis available immediately with SRK's intuitive self-service interface. Bring your analysis to the next level with SRK.